So quick check. Let me see if I am in a position to share the screen. So Team Ample Courses, can one of you confirm if the screen is visible, I am visible, and also the audio is good? It can be put across in the chat box.
Yeah, everything is visible. Screen is visible, you are visible, and the audio is clear.
Fantastic. Thanks a lot, Mamta. I appreciate it.
Yes, it's clearly visible.
Thank you. Looks like we are all set. Uh, Thanks a lot for joining this webinar. So those of you who are joining this webinar for the first time, hearty welcome to each one of you. And those of you who are joining this webinar repeatedly, my appreciations for reinforcing the confidence that yes, this hour of power is making a difference in your life. So for each one of you, I would like to make a mention. This webinar is being planned in such a way. This is going to happen every single Wednesday going forward week on week from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. In all probabilities, this is going to be a free webinar. However, we might take a call in terms of making it a paid webinar. At that point of time, we will inform beforehand and it will be absolutely affordable by each one of you. I will share as you move forward when is it going to be a paid webinar, when is it going to be a free webinar. However, congratulations, in sequence, this is the third webinar we are conducting, which is absolutely free. Another good news is there is no upselling in this webinar. We are not offering anything as a sales. We are not going to pitch anything. That does not mean we are into charity. That does not mean we provide everything free. During this webinar, we are not providing anything as an offering. However, in case you like the way we are doing and in case you are confident that we can work together, you can always ping us post the webinar, not during the webinar, because this 1 hour is 1 hour of our giving. So let's just practice for a moment. I request each one of you to open the chat window. And in the chat window, say, let's start. LETS start. Those of you who are in a position to see me, hear me, the response from your side is in the chat window, type, let's start. Fantastic. If you are not seeing me, if you are not hearing me, anyway, you can't say anything. So that's going to be the assumption. So let me hear from each one of you and see, let's start. In the process, this is a warming up exercise. I want you to get used to the keyboard in case. Fantastic. And those of you who are attending for the first time, please key in FT, first time. Only those who are joining for the first time. Okay, Murugan, hearty welcome. Sharath, nice to see you around. Kiran, Patrick, Mamta. Okay. Let me hear first time. Oh, Rachita is also joining for the first time. Good. Rajumna, thank you. Harpreet, Uzma, nice to have you around, Uzma. Veena, let's start. Okay, in case you are attending this webinar for the first time, please type FT, first time. Go ahead, folks. This is going to be the only communication channel between you and me, the chat window. So, A, I'm getting to know that you are attending for the first time. B, I'm in a position to communicate with you. You are in a position to communicate with me. Awesome. So, give us a round of applause, and I appreciate you joining this webinar. Let's start. Okay, so today's topic is Circle of Life. This is the third seminar and webinar what we had been doing from One Life Academy, part of Sure Success series. We are in a position to offer this as free because this is being sponsored by Ample Courses. The videos were already playing before. At some point of time, I'll explain you about our sponsor. So there are few pictures which you can see in this particular slide. On the left hand side, you see an amusement park picture. On the right hand side, you see a clock which is circular in shape, and you also see a beautiful wave. So now let us look at life. Every single day, every single week, every single month, every single year is actually your experience in a amusement park known as life. You may be thinking it is not as per the design. However, just like an amusement park of Universal Studio or you take Disneyland, it is all designed, it's all controlled. The challenge is who is controlling. So as you move forward, we will be talking about it. Similarly, just like a clock, it's engineering. There is everything designed as per that only everything is moving. And you need to understand how much of clarity you have and how much of clarity you do not have. So with that as a context, let's move on. And those of you who are repeating, who are attending the sessions, if you are attending the third session in series, please type number 3. If you are attending, if you have attended one before and you are attending this as a second, type 2 in the chat box. So those of you who have attended all 3, please type 3. Those of you who attended once in the past and now, please type 2. Wow, Venkat, you deserve a round of applause. Thanks for the confidence with which you are attending week on week. Ashwati, same thing. I appreciate you coming back. Himanshu, second time, okay. So this gives me feedback, this gives me clarity that the expectations are increasing. People are coming back and attending webinar week on week, and that makes me focus more and make it more valuable. And I promise we will do anything and everything to make your time worth it. Thank you. You can stop now. Okay, folks, I'm sure each one of you are wondering in the day, in such a situation where everything is monetized, everybody is expecting money for anything and everything. Why the heck Suresh Babu is doing what he is doing? Friends, when I started my entrepreneurship journey way back in 2013, after quitting a plush job in Microsoft, the support system what I had was absolutely not that great. So I had to start working by myself, and then came lots and lots of gurus about whom I'm going to talk. From where I took mentorship, I took coaching, and I've spent humongous money to become what I am today at this point of time. And you'll be surprised how many of you are interested in understanding real good secrets which are working for me, which I'm going to share absolutely free. If you are keen to get the know the secrets, please type in the chat box, I want. Yes, Divya, go ahead. And folks, I'm telling you, we need to be absolutely speed because we are going to catch up. Awesome. So you'll be surprised to know we are having about 250 people in the WhatsApp group and about 35 people attending this webinar at this point of time. And our spend on social media and digital marketing is 0. Good or good? Good or good? What's your response? So please understand the whatever I'm going to speak, whatever I'm going to share are going to be the real secrets which are working for us at One Life Academy and Ample Courses and me. So please stay tuned. And I don't know in which Wednesday I'll be revealing what secret. So please be with me. So friends, why am I doing what am I doing? Before that, I'll tell you, those of you who attended two sessions and three sessions, you will see the background today is completely different. As I speak, I'm in Hyderabad, which is my hometown, and I'm not working out of my office. So you can see I am on a holiday, and still I want to ensure my commitment of Wednesday night 8 o'clock is taken care. So in case you see any hindrance in the shape of voice or power supply or internet or bandwidth or anything, please bear with me. We are doing everything possible to make your experience as good as possible. However, I'm not working out of my home office. I'm working out of my residence in Dilsukh Nagar, Hyderabad. Why am I doing what am I doing? I believe in living in a holistic life. It's irony. I feel so bad. People are living life which is not holistic in nature. My guru Jim Rohn says there is no point in having a Merc which takes you to hospital week on week. Let me repeat. There is no point in having a Merc which takes you to a hospital week on week. What does it mean is there is an important thought process each one of us should have, that we need to have a life of holistic. And today I'm going to help you define and design your life. How many of you want to really understand that? If your answer is yes, say, bring it on. Bring it on. BIO. Go ahead. I designed my life and I am living my life of my design. And it's irony that good amount of people, may not be you, good amount of people are living life which is designed by others, not by you. So I'm going to bring it on what exactly is working for me. Before that, I want to thank each one of you for joining this for a simple reason. You may be getting it free of cost, but you are helping me live my mission. And let me read out my mission for you. My mission is to enable and empower people. The people are people who get in touch with me. I can't stand on the crossroad and tell I'm going to enable and empower. People who come to my room, I conduct seminars, I conduct sessions, I do coach people, individuals, teams, and groups, and I've started this webinar series. People who are a part of my room are the only people whom I'm going to enable and empower. Live life of fulfillment. Life of fulfillment is every single day you need to have a joy of living your life. It must be fulfilled life. How is it possible? By enhancing performance. Each one of us are supposed to produce. What is the word I said? Produce. Each one of us are supposed to perform. What's the word I said? Perform. And there is no point in living life of mediocrity. We need to perform multifold. And the moment I say, each one of you may be thinking it calls for a lot of hard work. It's going to be very humongous. I have only 24 hours. I'm unable to do this. Don't worry. We are talking about how to make it easily, effortlessly, and efficiently. Those of you who attended the previous sessions, I am sure once we covered just three things to do. And in the last sequence, we spoke about what is major and what is minor. Good amount of people ask me, can we have a video recording? Folks, taking out this 1 hour is absolutely difficult for me, but I love what I am doing. And if you're expecting me to video record and share and follow up and all those things, please excuse me. It's too much of expectation and I'm not in a position to take out so much of time. So I am on a mission for the last 15 years and I will continue to do this. So I am here to enable and empower people live life of fulfillment by enhancing the performance multifold, easily, effortlessly, efficiently. As a project management professional and as a people person, I am not only certified, I have experience and expertise. That's the reason with confidence I'm in a position to say this. So, little bit about me. Those of you who do not know anything about me, I had been, as I said, I was with Microsoft, and I got about 28 years of experience in both people management and project management. I'm a certified coach, and we help people discover their personality, discover their strengths, and accordingly take it forward. That is what we call it as MBTI, Myers-Briggs Type Indicator. And I'm also a PMP, Project Management Professional. I'm a faculty with Confederation of Indian Industry. On soft skills, I'm a faculty with Image Consulting Business Institute, ICBI, and I did 20 batches of Train the Trainer. That means I helped about 300 people become trainers in this country at this point of time. Good or good? Okay, so let me introduce my gurus. How many of you are interested to know who all are the people who I look up to? In the chat window, please type, I want to know. I want. Yes, IWK, you are getting smart. IWK is more than sufficient. IWK, go ahead. So, those are you who are attending this webinar, the moment we start charging, then this becomes room will get full. So do you think I should be charging this seminar or not? Okay, we do a small exercise. Once the session is over, please remind me. I would like to know for this 1 hour of webinar, if it were to be a paid webinar, how much money you are prepared to pay for it. Okay, just let us play a game. Once you get the value out of this seminar, let me understand what does it mean to you. Thank you. Now that you want to know, okay, so this is my guru who made a huge impact in my life. I was fortunate enough to meet him, shake hand with him, talk to him, and unfortunately he is no more. He is Mr. Jibun. Give him a big round of applause wherever you are. And it is my responsibility, it is my minimum giving that I should be thanking him. And I want each one of you to please thank him. Okay. So the second person whom I would like to call out is this is Blair Singer, and this is T. Havekar. And in case you know them, you met them, you heard about them, in the chat window you can give the name whom do you know already. And this is Vijay Pandyan, Team Ample Courses. Can you help me by muting the person who's making the noise? Please mute them. So Vijayalakshmi Pandyan is my coach and mentor as far as my spiritual journey is concerned, and Suresh Padmanabhan.
Point one bit for some. Mama.
1 second. Audio is not clear. Because there is a disturbance. Who is this Srinivas?
Yeah, here.
Can you please mute yourselves?
Okay.
I appreciate Srinivas. Thank you. Uzma, I think it's clear for you now. Okay, is it okay, Pala, now? Yes, I agree with Suresh. Okay, fantastic. Shall we move forward? Can one of you say yes? Yes. Fantastic. So I'm introducing my gurus and mentors, and if you know them, please type their name in the chat window. So if I have to look at Robert Kiyosaki gave me clarity about entrepreneurship and cash flow management. T. Havekar is like, he's designed the Quantum Leap group, and I'm a Quantum Leap graduate. Srinivas, I request you to please mute yourself. Even others, there are few other people who are not admitted.
Generally, the quantum of
Team, can you mute everybody?
Yes, sir.
Don't release anybody but for me. So those of you who could understand, it's about Jim Rohn, it's about T. Havekar, Robert Kiyosaki, Vijayalakshmi Panthian, Blair Singer. And this is Brian Tracy. I'm sure each one of you must have heard about him. And this is Dr. T. Martini, and finally Clinton Swain. If you know them, if you heard about them, and all these people are the people whom I met personally, and good amount of people I got mentored and trained directly, and others I signed up for their programs and attended their seminars or attended their coaching. Okay, so let's move on. Please ask yourselves, are you accepting your life as it is? And from now on, I want each one of you to be very active. May I request, okay, let me check up. Is everybody having a couple of papers with you and some pens, pencils with you? If you are having, please say yes. Those of you who are not having, grab one immediately within next 45 seconds. Those of you who are not having, please grab one. And I'm telling you folks, this 1 hour is going to be a game changer for few for sure in this room. Yes, Patrick, please go and bring, and I'll be waiting for your ping saying that I am ready. Those of you who are keeping you are having your notebook or paper, pen, whatever ready, it could be digital. You can make notes in your laptop. I'm absolutely fine. So this part is very, very important. I can still hear some voice. Please mute yourselves. Fantastic. So now those of you who are ready, please answer this question. In the scale of 1 to 9, 1 to 10, 10 being perfect, 1 being nowhere close, are you accepting life as it is or wanting to do more? So first let us go to how much are you accepting life as it is, or you are doing something to make it better? Are you going with the flow with no design, no plan, no thoughts? Day comes, day goes, week comes, week goes, month comes, month goes. In the chat window, rate yourselves in the scale of 1 to 10 as we wait. If it is a fully perfect design plan, give yourselves a 10. If it is absolutely pathetic, give yourselves 1. It could be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, whatever it is. Go ahead. 7 is a good number. I like it. Fantastic. Absolutely no problem. Whatever is the number, we are all in one room and here we are there to learn. And I want to see that each one of you move the number by at least 2-3 notches. Okay, Patrick, I am glad you are back and I expect that you are ready with your paper, pen and all that. So the question is, how does your life look like? Is it fully designed the way you want it is happening, or it is somehow it is happening? If it is a perfect design life scale, give yourselves 9 or 10. If it is nowhere close, give it 1 or 2 or 3. And if it is something in between, you can change. I request my team to check up what is this happening in terms of these lines. Cool. So the time is over for grabbing your paper, pen, and let's move on. So now it's important for me to ask you, are you accepting life as it is, or wanting to do more? Just because you want to do more, you are in this webinar. You are taking my coaching. That's, see, it might sound it is free, but I value your time. You would have taken a chance or you could have chosen to be doing something different. But you being in this room itself is a big investment, which is most crucial, your time. So, what is that you see in the picture? Please type it in the chat box. What is that you see in the picture? Cycle, bicycle. Do you think it can move? It is stand still. Can you guess what is this picture all about? Static cycle, go ahead. Where is this painted? Just to see closely. On a road, fantastic. So it's a tar road on which the bicycle is being painted. If that is the cycle, is it possible for us to move on? We definitely need a better cycle like this. If you say, yes, I agree, key in the chat window, agree. So please understand, your life cannot be something which is painted on the road. It is not something just like that. It has to be a minimum bicycle which is standing, which you can take it forward. However, the unlocked one, yes, I like that, Suresh, it's not locked. So now let's look at the next slide. In this picture, I'm showing you a wheel which has got a rim, which has got spokes, which has got tire. So please understand, these are the most important ingredients as we look at the bicycle. So it's important to check if the pressure is good or not. So what it means is, it's important for us to understand how are we monitoring and having a control on a regular basis. A, you can't have a bicycle which is painted on the road. B, it should be usable. C, having the wheels and all those things are not sufficient. So friends, irony is, even if your bicycle's blow is not perfect, even if the rims are not perfect, even if the spokes are not perfect, still the bicycle moves. Yes or no? Please respond. In spite of having no perfect pressure, no perfect rim, no perfect spokes, still the bicycle moves. However, is it fun? Would you like to have a life of that nature, or you want a perfect life? If it is a perfect life, can you please key in what is that you must be having? For a perfect life, if I take the analogy of the vehicle, what is the three things which are very, very important? Proper blow, checking the rims, and ensuring all the spokes are perfect. So if they are imperfect, still the life goes on. If it is damaged, still the life goes on. If it is fully damaged, probably you will stop with a creaking sound. So that's not the situation. Those people don't even get onto the webinar. Those people don't even think of learning. And those people who think everything is perfect also will not come for learning. They don't want to get better. I appreciate each one of you for taking out time. So the point is, we need to have a bicycle which is not just painted on the wall. That is our life. And second thing is, it should be something which should move. Not only move, it should have the proper pressure required, the properly aligned wheel, and all the spokes functioning properly. Now that I told about this, let's look at what are the spokes of life. Friends, please in your piece of paper, write at least 12 aspects that define your life. So when I do my coaching, my client will ask, how do I define my life? How many of you want to define your life? If you want to really define your life, you say, Suresh, I want to define and design, D and D. Go ahead. D and D is what I want you to key in. Fantastic. Good, 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 good. 45 people are there and I'm seeing only responses from 2025. So others are just joined for the sake of joining, and I respect their way of looking at things. Absolutely fine. Thank you folks. You really made this webinar good. So let me talk about 12 aspects. The 12 aspects of life are the way you look at it. Last session, I was talking about stage and age. Previously, I was talking about roles and responsibilities. So today I'm going to talk about, depending on the stage of your life, depending on what are your roles and responsibilities, what are the 12 aspects which work for you. In your paper, please quickly write minimum 10, maximum 15. It could be health, wealth, relationship, making money, becoming a millionaire, becoming a speaker, becoming a trainer, becoming an image consultant, becoming a business consultant. I want to be a top-notch author. I want whatever it is, right? 12 aspects quickly. Once you are done, in the chat window, say done. Please write 12 aspects, 15 aspects, 10 minimum, which mean a lot in your life. You need not key in here, just write it in your notebook. Fantastic. Thank you, Kiran, Venki. I appreciate it. 12 aspects in your life, right from spirituality to partying to travel to holiday to having children or taking care of your children, education, international travel, making a million, whatever comes to you, 12 aspects. That's the reason we said it's a group coaching. Those of you who attended my open workshop will correlate. I dislike only training or a workshop. It's always coaching model. What does a coach do? Make you think which you would not have thought otherwise. We are not giving much description about the webinar. We want to come with a high expectation and zero expectation, something in between, and go back with a happy situation. Fantastic. So now that you have written 12 things that define your life, narrow down to 8 aspects. So now make a wheel like this in the piece of paper. 2 concentric circles, divide them into, then divide them into 8. And once you are ready with this, out of the 12, either you bucketize or prioritize and write 8 things into this particular paper. And folks, this is the first time I'm asking you, I want each one of you to send the picture of this after the webinar. 8 aspects, whatever you think, just write them in 1 or 2 words, absolutely fine. If you write sentence, it will be difficult. So bucketize the 12, 15 into 8, or eliminate remaining things and put only 8. And after you make a sketch like this, a concentric circle into 8 parts, please write on that. The moment you have written 8 things, key in number 8 in the chat box. Thank you, Sagar. Akshata, I appreciate. Ramesh, thank you. So those of you who have done, okay, my question is, Patrick, you already written about 10 or 15. Out of that, bucket them into 8 and write in this particular picture, or eliminate few of them and narrow down to 8. And by putting a picture like this, 2 concentric circles, divide them into 4 parts and 8 parts, write those words. Make it legible, clean, because this is going to be a game changer. And those of you already responded 8. Can you tell me in 1 or 2 words or 1 sentence, what's happening inside you? How is this exercise? Are you enjoying? Is it giving some self-reflections? Please key in. It could be 1 sentence or a couple of words, not yes or no, please. Just express yourself. It's time for you to express. You have narrowed down and brought 8 things which are important in your life. Yes, self-awareness is so critical. And all these aspects of your eight will be different. My eight will be different, your eight will be different. Gets me to introspect. Yes, it's very, very important. We narrow down on the eight things. And the next part, prioritize to think. It's mind opening. Yes, enjoying, like to challenge myself. Thank you. Good experience to know the importance of things. Quite daunting. Yes. Empowering, excited with eight super goals. Fantastic. Please go ahead. Okay, I'm assuming everybody has come to this shape. And if somebody is finding my speed a bit faster, or you are not in a position to understand my language, please key in, go slow, speak more clearly. I'll be more than happy to slow down. But I think I'm okay. If you think I'm okay and good, please key in okay. Either ways, I would like to hear back. Awesome. I'm glad it's going very well. In case somebody is not in a position to, please, wow, eight wonders of my world. I love it, Srinivas. Even I'm learning. Yes. Awesome, awesome. Okay. So thanks a lot for doing this exercise. Now comes beautiful situation. Let's do one thing. Pick up. Please listen to me very carefully. Pick up only three things out of this. Friends, this is a 1 hour group coaching. And I am coaching 45 people in one at one point of time. It's very difficult for us to consider all the 12 aspects at the same time. I am looking at short-term goals. So please circle three of those things out of the eight. And once you are ready, say, these are my three, and you can give only 3 words. Only 3 words. Those of you who are ready with 8 or 10 or 6 or 5, the good news is I'm asking for only 3. And whoever wants to consult me or talk to me later or ask me, please ping and check up. I'm not going to charge for that. This hour of power, I really want to make an impact in 45 of you. And the day I make an impact in your lives, I will feel happy with myself because I am on a mission. That's my commitment. Only thing is, I want only serious folks in the room. Once you are in a position to narrow down on the 3 things in 1 or 2 words, please in the chat window, key in only those 3 words. We have a fantastic group who will be very, very helpful. Okay, good, good, good. I love this. Madhukesh Aure, please mute them. Fantastic. So this is something where I want to give more time, okay? And I want to ensure every single person is ready with 3 things. Okay? And you know what? People come to me for coaching, they come with something, and when we do this exercise, they'll arrive at some other thing. Okay? Rutuparna Sharma is not in a position to hear me out. Can one of you help them? Shubhangi or Rupa? Okay, go ahead, go ahead. I am sure those of you who are my coaching clients who are attending this must have done this, or we will be doing it in a one-on-one. Thank you. Rutu, you will be taken, you will be addressed. Your problem will be taken care. Okay, folks. Oh my goodness. I'm happy, Rutu, you are back and my team has done. I think, does my team on the back end who had been following up with you, helping you, and doing all these things need a round of applause? Please key in CLAP, 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 clap for them. We are getting better, guys. We are also learning. I don't want to boost that we are masters. We are just getting better. And the team exactly needs. Fine, thank you. That's nice. The backend team is everything for me. Thank you. Fine. Now that you are ready with the three things, what I want you to do is please stay focused and listen to me very carefully. You have defined your first aspect at this point of time, the second aspect at this point of time, the third point at this point of time. Why I am rephrasing and making it as a mention as at this point of time is you came to this webinar with an open expectation of learning something like any other webinar. However, I compelled you to think through about 8 things, and again we narrowed down to 3 things because this is what is required. The good news is, how many months are left in 2019? How many months are left in 2019? October, November, December. It comes to 3. And the beauty is, those of you who know me, I love 90-day plan. And there can't be a better situation than today. How many of you know that I love a 90-day plan? Then you can make a mention. Yes. Okay. So what we are going to do is you have exactly 3 months for working on this. So what I want you to do is the 3 things which you have written as a word. Now take some time and describe. I repeat, describe. Say, for instance, let me take something from my own personal way for the 3 things which I want to focus on. The 3 things on my card is to ensure ample courses goes to at least 5 more cities through channel partners, and we start billing the way we want to. That is one thing. The second thing which I want as a goal is probably plan for some good holiday before December 31st. That's the second one. And the third one would be uh, okay, focus more on my team coaching and onboard at least 3 more teams to be coached by me as I move forward in the 3 things. So these 3 things can be in the shape of 2 words. However, in this box, I want you to write a description about that. So make a 50-word description. How many words? How many words? Thank you. Okay, it has to be in about 50 words. Each thing in 50 words. So say for instance, if I have to scroll back, is the PPT visible now? Perfect. So let me scroll back and check. Okay, say for instance, if I take Suresh Kumar, he mentioned health, happiness, and helping others to succeed. So, what does health mean? Probably the ideal weight, or some parameter of your health, or something which is so holistic, physical, mental health, emotional health, something like that. And also happiness. What does it mean? Just describe in about 50 words. And helping others to succeed. How many people would you like to help? Is it going to be your professional help or something you, which could be a free of cost, like supporting few people who are in the need? So probably something like that. So make it as descriptive as possible in about 50 words. So let me take one more example. Kiran talks about health, wealth, and happiness. So the definition of health, as far as you are concerned, for about in 50 words. Similarly, wealth in 50 words, and similarly, happiness in 50 words. Hope I am clear with you. If you are clear, please key in clear. And if you are in a position to write, please go ahead and write and key in wait. Okay, Harpreet and others, I'll repeat the question. You narrowed down three things. However, they were described in two or one word. Now expand that and write a very clear description in about 50 words each one. If I'm clear, key in clear. Ah, very good. So, ultimate goal will be out of scope. It will be too difficult to focus. Let's plan for the next 90 days. Ah, Divya, that's a very good question. It's absolutely okay with you. If you want, you can. If you don't want, you can tell Suresh, I wish not to share. Absolutely fine. We respect your thought process. Can one of you key in how much time is required for you to write three things in 50 words? It comes to almost 150 words. You can refine in terms of English, proper words, and all those things later. Just scribble in the way you want and try to make it as nice as possible. It's for you. I will not be going to ask you because it's too difficult for me to read and check up with 50 people. Probably I will give opportunity for one person, and I don't know who. And I bet that one person will have a miraculous change today, and that could be you. Awesome. So, Suresh Kumar, I would like to see that is expanded further. Health for self, because health for you and health for me is completely different. My definition of health is I'm very clear. So many kgs of weight, and my BP should be this, and I should not get into any further medication. And I am also very clear this should be my waistline, because that is something I have to really work on. That need not be your case. So, 50 words. Those of you who completed 50, 50, 50, just key in 505050 in the chat box. Good. Thank you, Sagar. Take your time. I'm not in a hurry because this is very, very powerful exercise. I love that statement, Mr. Suresh. Yes. No problems. No problems. If it is less than, I'm not a school teacher. It's absolutely fine. Team in the back end, probably next time onwards when we are giving time like this, let us check the possibility of having some music being played. Veena, if you are done, key in the 505050. That's the protocol we are having. Harjot Singh needs to be muted. Thank you, Suhail. Okay, thanks a lot. Whoever has written, you can refine it, you can redo it, depending on how serious you are about your defining and designing. Oh my God, Srinivas has already posted it in the group. I really like it. Yes, it should be something like this. Awesome. That's really good. Okay, so now comes the magical element. Are you ready? If yes, key in ready. Beautiful. So now what I want you to do is merge them and bring them into this particular thing like this. So what does it mean is these three things put together is going to be your definition, your design of your life for next 90 days. So this is how you want to close 2019 with a bang and start 2020 with a bang. However, after this session, in case you feel out of that 8, you need to bring something into this like category of 3 and you want to remove something, you're absolutely okay. For the energy in the room at this point of time, for the energy what we created at this point of time, you could think of 3. Probably those 3 things are most important. However, 80-20 Pareto law works. In case you want to change one, you can absolutely. So once you merge 3 things, that is going to be your wheel of life for the next 90 days. Having said that, let me see who is one person who's ready with whatever they have done. Sorry. Okay. Is the slide clear, audio clear, and my video clear? Can one of you just respond back to me? If everything is good, fine. Thank you. Thank you. So this is your life definition at this point of time. So I would like to definitely see and before that, I would like to congratulate each one of you have now arrived at the definition of your life. So as a sample, let me see one of you, whoever wants to share. Let me just see the chat window. Okay. Okay, if you want to share and you want me to take you through, just type in me, M-E. Whoever is ready to share with everybody. Sagar, okay. Any other person? Okay, Sagar, if you are absolutely okay, please copy paste that in the screen, or you can go unmute and say. Whichever works for you, Sagar.
Yes. Yeah, actually, I have written it on a piece of paper, so I have to speak it. Is it fine?
Yeah,
I'm
please go
audible?
ahead and yes, go ahead and read it. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Yes, go
So
ahead.
I should read the description or
Yes, yes,
the point.
description.
Okay.
Both. Take one by one. Take the first one, words, and two words, and then description.
Okay. The words are, first word is speaking,
Okay.
right? So I want to speak at the events where I can make impact on people's lives, or at least kindle that fire in people's about, life and helping other people's and making people's life
Okay,
better.
I got it. Let me help you rephrase that.
Okay.
The way I understand is you want to take your career as a speaker,
Hmm.
or you want to speak from the stage and impact people's lives.
Yes.
So, couple of things you need to understand. I want each one of you to focus on this, please. Please understand we are human beings, and the rule of the game is very, very simple. You need to have a number on one side and emotion on the other side for it to manifest. So for that thing to happen, Sagar, what I recommend is I want to speak from three stages in next 3 months and cover 50 people in each session
Okay.
and impact them positively. So that three stages, so many number of people is essential. If there is no number, probability of manifestation is very, very low. I mean,
Okay.
making sense, everybody? If you are understanding what I'm saying, say, understand, I, you. Okay, Sagar, second point.
Okay. Second point is spirituality, right?
Okay,
So it is very simple that I want to be at ease at every time
fantastic,
or every situation.
fantastic. Akshata, what I was mentioning is we are all human beings, whether you are a doctor, an engineer, an advocate, or agriculturalist, or a farmer. We need to have everything defined with two aspects. One is number on the one side and emotion on the other side. So you need to have some number given for your description within the 50. So in Sagar's case, doing three stage performances, covering 50 people each or 500 people each in three locations, and name of the location and how he feels about it. Positive emotional wording. That's what I was talking about. So coming back to spirituality and ease, Sagar, at this point of time in the scale of 1 to 10, what is the ease you have? Is it 4 or 5 or 6 or 2?
It is, we can say, 2 or 3 probably.
Okay, so from 2 or 3 to 4 or 5 is a good improvement. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
So you need to do some homework and give a number again.
Mhm.
In the scale of 1 to 10, my easiness at this point of time is 3, and I want to take it to 5.
Okay.
See, good
Understood.
amount of times what happens is we human beings are self-critical. Do you agree?
Yes.
Okay, one of you is unmute and making a lot of breathing noise. Sagar, can you go mute now?
Okay.
Okay. Very, very critical. That is not a good thing. So we need to ensure that we are a bit liberal with ourselves. That's the reason you need to be very clear in terms of the moment you succeed something, the moment you get something, you need to have a celebration. For you to understand there is a difference, you need to have some number system. That's the reason. Okay. Hope working with Sagar has helped others in terms of doing what you want to do. So this is how you have defined your life. As I said, within these 60 minutes, how much ever possible, we are trying to do that. And in case you want to sync up, you can always come back. So now it's time for each one of you to better design your life instead of living a life designed by others. If you don't have priority of 12 things, if you don't have a priority of 3 things, if you are not describing them in 2 3 words, if you are not defining them in the 50 words, and now if you don't take action from tomorrow morning onwards, you are living life designed by somebody. Agree or not? If you agree, in the chat box, type in I agree. So now taking action is very, very important. It's not just about taking it, like agreeing about that. So folks, with that, we come to the concluding point of the day. And what I want each one of you to do is commit to take action. Commit to ensure that you are going to be defining and designing your own life. So now is time for me to ask you, in one word, how do you define this hour of power? In one word, how do you define this hour of power? Was it worth your time? How thoroughly you enjoyed it? And what action you are going to take? Express in couple of words. Thank you. It's very important for me to give back for your time. So here is my request. If this were to be a charged session, how much do you think I should be charging for this? Just I'm taking a survey, I'm just taking a poll. It could be any number in INR. If it were to be a paid session, how much should we charge for that? Any number is not a bad number. Don't think it is too low. What might Suresh think? If it is too low, what others might think? If it were to be a paid session, how much do you think this is worth it? It all depends on your perceived value for the program. And I'm telling you, we have learned to do what we are doing by spending humongous money. I appreciate, Suhail, your words. Awesome. I'm just taking it, as I told you, this is not going to be a base for charging or something like that. I just wanted to check up, like, how does it work? So nice of you. So nice of you. Okay. So thanks a lot. And before we conclude, it is very important for me to let you know what all are the things we do. It's only an information such that you can tell to others when you talk about Suresh. So the point I want to tell is, yes, we at One Life Academy are into people management, project management, and image management. So we do coaching, we do training, we do consulting. I'm not going to spend much time. Those of you who are interested can ping me and we can get onto a call and I can talk. We work with individuals, we work with teams, and I have a group coaching program known as Sure Success Intensive, which will be coming in November. Yes, as I said, individuals could be CEOs, entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, and business is that. And the third one is group coaching. And we also have online training and offline training. And online training is Ample Courses. I humbly request each one of you to go to www.amplecourses.com, have a look at it, and reach out to me or reach out to my team for more details. Folks, now that we had been spending some time together, is it okay for me to ask you, please spread the word? And are you ready to help others live life of fulfillment? Do you want others also to be a part of this every week Wednesday webinar and get benefited like this? If yes, please type what is coming to your mind. Are you ready to spread the word and see? Because very soon we are going to eliminate or remove people who are not attending regularly. We'll ask them to step out of the room. And those of you who are serious and getting value, I want you to spread the word. How do you spread the word? Please tag me while you are commenting on Facebook or LinkedIn. I am sure each one of you are having an account with Facebook and LinkedIn. Whatever you found as a value, please go and comment on my Facebook page or your Facebook page and log and tag me. I'm not asking for any fees. We are not going to talk about the money, and it all depends on how thoroughly I'm enjoying. If I am enjoying these sessions thoroughly, probably I will not even charge forever. However, I don't want to commit. Pradyumna, thanks a lot. You can put it on the LinkedIn and say, this is what I have attended and this is what I got. And please spread the word and express, and your gratitude is what I am asking for. Then that is how you'll help me live my mission. When I was doing sessions, classroom and all that, I was impacting 15 people, 50 people, 100 people, 300 people. Through online, we want to impact thousands and thousands of people. Are you with me? Thanks a lot for your responses, and don't forget to leave a review. It could be either on Facebook or on LinkedIn. Thanks, each one of you. I'm so happy. I appreciate your participation. You had been fantastic audience. Now it's time for us to say goodbye. Thanks a lot and good night. And if you have something to say about this workshop, what was your expectation? What is that you got? How are you going to make your life different? How is this topic of circle of life? You can leave one or two words now, and it's time. Those of you who are feeling it's late can always step out. Thank you and good night. Looking forward to see you next Wednesday again for Hour of Power from Suresh Babu. Thank you. Thanks a lot and good night. Any questions, any discussions, only WhatsApp groups, please. I'll be available to answer. Thank you. Good night. Have a fantastic week ahead. Bye-bye.